Good day, everyone. Welcome. So, worried about unauthorized transactions on your Apple Cash card? In 2025, you can secure your card to prevent fraud or misuse. We'll show you 3 quick steps to lock down your Apple Cash and keep your money safe. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app. Tap your Apple Cash card to view its details. If you're using an iPad, go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and select your Apple Cash card. This is where you manage your card's details. Apple Cash does not have a direct lock button like credit cards. To restrict your account, contact an Apple Cash specialist at Green Dot Bank by calling their number. Request a temporary lock due to suspected fraud or security concerns. They may ask for identity verification to process the lock, which stops purchases, transfers, and money sending. For extra protection, enable Face ID or Touch ID in the Wallet app. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and toggle on Require Face ID or Touch ID. This ensures every Apple Cash transaction needs biometric authentication. And that's it, your Apple Cash card is now secure. Got more security tips? Share them below. Guys, we appreciate the help from you guys by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time.